In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change quantity of products in Xero. We'll walk through where to go, what to click, and a few tips so you know exactly what you're changing and why. Start by heading to your Xero account and signing in as you normally would. Once you're on the dashboard, we'll move straight to the area that holds your inventory items. From the main navigation, open Sales. This is where Xero keeps customer invoices and, importantly for us, the list of products and services you sell. Inside Sales, select Products and Services. You'll land on a searchable list of all your items. If you have a large catalog, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the exact product you want to adjust. It helps to search by item code or a unique keyword in the item's name so you don't accidentally change the wrong one. When you've located the correct product line, look to the far right for the three-dot menu. Click that menu to reveal more actions for this specific item. Using the three dots ensures you're only changing the one product you selected, not affecting anything else on the page. Choose Edit from the menu to open the item details. Here's where you'll make your adjustments. If your item is tracked in Xero, you'll see fields related to quantity on hand. Update the quantity to reflect your current stock. It's good practice to cross-check this number with a recent Stocktake or supplier receipt to avoid creating discrepancies. If your item is untracked, you won't see a quantity field. That simply means Xero isn't managing stock levels for this item, and changes here will focus on things like the name, description, prices, and accounts, rather than quantities. Before you confirm your changes, review any related fields such as the selling price, purchase price, and the income or expense accounts linked to the product. While these don't affect quantity directly, keeping them accurate helps maintain reliable reporting. If you're adjusting quantity because of a stock correction, consider noting the reason in your internal records so you have a clear audit trail. When everything looks right, save your changes to apply them. Give the page a moment to update, then return to the product list to confirm the item now reflects the correct quantity or details. That's all there is to it. Open Sales, go to Products and Services, use the three dots on the item you want, and edit to make your adjustments. With a quick review and a careful save, your Xero product quantities will stay accurate and up to date.